Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit HTML code on Shopify. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm in the Shopify dashboard. Now click on this online store and then click on themes. Under the themes right here, you can just scroll down and here you can see the current theme that you have. So what you can do is you can just click on these three dots right here. Then from there, you can see this edit. So click on edit code right here. And then this will redirect you to this coding process. So you can see in here the code for your layouts, for your templates, and for everything. You can also see here some section as well as locale. So on this locales, when you head over and click on a specific thing, you should be able to see the code for this specific code. So you can also just choose which one is more for you, which one is applicable for you. And then, for example, you want to edit the code for the template that you have on your blog. Now you can click on that and then you can actually code in here in order to change it. Now, in order to use this, we need to have specific knowledge of coding in order to support this. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach you soon.